Today, we want to talk about something that gets misunderstood a lot: crypto. Some folks think if you dabble in crypto, it has to take over your entire life, like it needs to replace your bank, your wallet, everything. But that's not how it works. Crypto's just an option. You don't use cash for everything, right? You use it when it makes sense. Same with crypto. Think about it this way. We don't expect our smartphones to replace every single tool we own. But when we need a flashlight, calculator, or camera in a pinch, it's right there. That's exactly what crypto should be for most people. You don't need it every day. But when your bank app crashes, when you're abroad and stuck with frozen cards, when you want to hold on to value without a bank in the middle, that's when it makes sense. Here's what we've learned from years in this space. The people who succeed with crypto aren't the ones who go all in on day one. They're the ones who start small, learn gradually, and use it strategically. Maybe you keep a small amount on your phone for emergencies. Maybe you use it to send money to family overseas because it's faster and cheaper than traditional transfers. Maybe you hold some as a hedge against inflation. The beauty is in the flexibility. We've seen too many people get overwhelmed thinking they need to understand every blockchain, every protocol, every new token that launches. That's like saying you need to understand how the internet works before you can send an email. Start simple, learn one thing at a time, use what makes sense for your situation. It's not a replacement, it's a plan B. And sometimes plan B saves the day. You don't have to believe in crypto. You don't need to become a maximalist or join any tribe. You just have to know it's there when you need it. The real power comes from having options, financial options. When traditional systems let you down, you're not stuck. You have alternatives. We're here to help you navigate this space without the hype, without the pressure, and without the all or nothing mentality. Just practical knowledge for real situations. Join us and reach your next crypto level.